If you're thinking about buying Gridwise, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Whether you're a rideshare driver, delivery worker, or anyone looking for an all-in-one tool to track and manage your gig economy work, Gridwise can be a game changer. But is it the right fit for you? Stick around to find out why Gridwise might just be what you're looking for, or why you might want to consider some of the alternatives. Let's dive right in. First, one of the biggest advantages of Gridwise is its comprehensive tracking features. If you're juggling multiple platforms, like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart, you know how chaotic it can get. Gridwise pulls all your gig data into one platform, so you can track your earnings, mileage, and expenses in real time. This is especially helpful compared to some competitors that either lack this feature or require you to manually input the data, which can be a real hassle. If you're trying to get a good understanding of your profits and expenses, Gridwise can save you tons of time. Next thing to consider is the reporting and tax features. Unlike some apps that only give you basic earnings data, Gridwise breaks down your performance by shift, platform, and more. It even gives you tax reports based on IRS guidelines, so you're not scrambling when tax season rolls around. With Gridwise, you'll know exactly what you owe without needing a separate tax app. This is a huge time saver compared to competitors like Stride or Everlance, which don't provide the same level of detailed reporting directly within their apps. The third thing you need to know about Gridwise is its pricing structure. While it has a free version, many of the features you'll want to take full advantage of are locked behind a premium subscription. It's worth noting, though, that if you're a serious driver or delivery person, the subscription price is pretty reasonable when compared to alternatives. You're paying for the convenience and accuracy of the data it provides, and honestly, for how much you'll save on taxes and time spent organizing your work, it can easily pay for itself. But it's still something to consider if you're just looking for basic tracking. The fourth thing is its integrations. Gridwise integrates with all the major gig platforms, plus it has built-in integration with tools like QuickBooks and Google Calendar. So whether you want to sync your earnings to QuickBooks for easy tax filing or simply track your shifts in your calendar, it's all streamlined. This level of integration makes it a standout compared to simpler apps like GridDriver, which don't offer the same connected features. Now, one thing that some users mention is that while Gridwise offers a ton of data, it can be a bit overwhelming for new users. If you're not tech savvy or you're just starting out in the gig economy, it might take a bit of time to get familiar with all the features and settings. Compared to more basic apps, Gridwise can feel a little more complex, but once you get the hang of it, the power of the data it gives you is undeniable. Next up, let's talk about customer support. Gridwise offers solid support, and the app has a helpful community forum where you can get tips from other drivers. While some apps in this space are known for poor customer service, Gridwise seems to be on top of things with a responsive support team. This is definitely a strong point for Gridwise, as customer support can make or break an app like this. Finally, one of the things that sets Gridwise apart from competitors is its ability to help you maximize your earnings. The app provides insights and suggestions on how you can improve your strategy and work smarter, not harder. For example, it helps you figure out when and where to work based on trends, local demand, and your earnings history. This is a feature that's not really available in most of the other tracking apps, making Gridwise a great choice for anyone who wants to level up their gig game. If you're still unsure about trying out Gridwise, you can get the best offer for the product by clicking the first link in the description below. You can even try it for completely free and see if it's the right fit for your needs. Don't miss out on this exclusive deal to get Gridwise with all its features unlocked. So, whether you're a full-time gig worker or someone just looking to track your side hustle earnings, Gridwise has the tools you need to succeed. To get started with Gridwise and try it for free, be sure to click that link below and get access to exclusive benefits. Happy gigging!